How to print from a MacBook to a printer. Follow these steps. Step 1. Connect your printer. USB printer. Plug the printer into your MacBook via USB. Wi-Fi printer. Make sure the printer and MacBook are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Add the printer. 1. Click the Apple menu, top left. System settings or system preferences. 2. Go to printers and scanners. 3. Click the plus button to add a printer. 4. Select your printer from the list. If it shows as AirPrint, that means it's ready to use. If needed, your Mac will download the correct driver automatically. 5. Click Add. Step 3. Print a document. 1. Open the document, photo, or web page you want to print. 2. Press Command plus P or go to File Such, Print. 3. Choose your printer from the printer list. 4. Adjust settings, pages, orientation, copies, etc. 5. Click Print. Troubleshooting tips. Printer not showing up. Make sure it's on and connected. Reboot both the printer and your MacBook. Wi-Fi printer issues? Print a network configuration page from the printer to verify connection. Reconnect the printer to Wi-Fi if needed. For more information, follow our channel, The Printer Zone.